So push it. That's it. Over there.
Alright, cheers. Bye.
And then the engines are, obviously, a little bit more. The engines are stable. So push the buttons.